to create Netflix logo.
First of all, create class Netflix and also write external CSS link. Then write in CSS script. In the body tag of HTML gives background color black. After that, write in Netflix class gives width 150 pixel, height 250 pixel, box sizing border box, position absolute, from top 50%, from left 50%, transform translate -50% -50%, border right 50 pixel solid red, border left 50 pixel solid red, after that create class Netflix before gives content empty, display flex, width 50 pixel, height 250 pixel, background red, transform skew 21.8 degree, box shadow 0030 pixel RGBA 0.5. After that, Netflix logo is created.